Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling Cursor in Xcode so the tool can access your editor. Open Xcode and your active project, then go to Preferences, Text Editing, and toggle the Cursor option. This gives Xcode permission to run the extension. Once done, make sure the cursor icon appears in the editor toolbar. If Xcode asks, restart the app to finalize installation. You want a visible toolbar control before moving on because it streamlines the rest of the workflow and prevents permission surprises. You now use Cursor to navigate and edit precisely. Click the cursor icon or press its shortcut to open the overlay, then type direct commands. Jump to Symbol, select Scope, or Split Selection by Pattern. This replaces manual clicking and speeds edits. Once the overlay shows results, use arrow keys or numbers to choose a match, then press Enter to move the caret or apply the change. By providing file path, function name, or line numbers, you reduce ambiguity and keep edits targeted. You finish edits by previewing and committing changes carefully. After making selections or refactors, inspect the modified lines in the editor and run build or tests to verify behavior. If something looks off, use undo immediately or revert the buffer from source control to avoid lost work. If Cursor stops responding, make sure Mac OS and Xcode permissions allow extensions, restart Xcode, and reinstall the Cursor extension if necessary. These steps resolve most integration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.